your inlet shutdown valve. The air cooler is still at the vendor's workshop. The yearly maintenance and the stuff you do. These are box types. You can remove this from the box. 1, 2, 3. There's a good insulation. So this will then go for like 30 days for helicopters and stuff like that.
The activity has been nice. I want to also commend the technical strength and ability of SPEC to be able to drive this project to what we are seeing now. We've been involved in the FAT, done a lot of activity, and so far it's been very excellent, and I want to salute them for that expertise and competence.
I've inspected all the modules that make up the refinery, and I must say I'm very impressed with the quality of work that has been done on all of these components of the refinery. The fabrication work is very neat and tidy, and in addition they've used some of the very best OEMs available. The ITT Goods are the ones manufacturing the pump, MSN, Coach Glitch for the internal, so those are the very top names in the industry for various companies. So I must say we are receiving the very best quality job one can think of for a modular.